Google Earth Engine, or what is Google Earth Engine, or have you ever heard about Google Earth Engine as a cloud computing platform, and is Google Earth Engine an open source platform or a paid platform? Stay tuned to know more about it. My name is Norman Kerandi. I'm a GIS developer and specialist at the Kenya Space Agency, and I'm going to take you through chapter 1, which is Introduction to Google Earth Engine. Google Earth Engine is a majorly open source platform powered by Google Cloud Infrastructure, which is one of the products owned by Google. The other platforms owned by Google which you might not know about, I'll just name like 4: Nest, Waze, DoubleClick, and the most famous, YouTube. So the Google Earth Engine is now available as a paid platform when used for commercial use, and remains as a free platform when used for academic and research purposes. Similar cloud computing platforms to the Google Earth Engine include Digital Earth Elevation and Planet Company. What programming languages does it use? The Google Earth Engine platform uses JavaScript and Python. These two languages are the most commonly used within the platform and to connect to other open source platforms to be able to conduct spatial analysis on the platform, whereby the Google Earth Engine is where one can be able to access Earth data in the form of satellite imagery, whereby it can be disseminated and analyzed using these two programming languages.